Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 22nd of June 2017 and I'm back on my workstation after a holiday of about 5 6 days. And good to be here. Good to be here to with you all. And Nifty, as I was saying yesterday, like the day before when I made my video, we were somewhere here, and I said I don't find the movement of Nifty very convincing right now, and I have a feeling that it'll go down. And it did open gap down yesterday, then tried to hold itself for almost the entire day. And then at about 2 o'clock, it got an opportunity to bounce back. And it bounced back from, futures में अगर हम देखें तो 9625 या 9624 पे बाउंस बैक किया है. दिस इज दैट पॉइंट जो कि अर्लियर यही जगह जो था इसके लिए कई बार रेजिस्टेंस बना था. राइट, सी हियर, this and here all these places were resistance, the same places where it experienced resistance in the past. Once here have become the places of support now. 9624 से इसने सपोर्ट लिया और आज फिर से निफ्टी थोड़ा सा गैप अप ओपन होके और फोर्सफुली ऊपर गई है. लेट मी शो यू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द पिवट पॉइंट्स. पिवट पॉइंट्स में देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. सो सी पिवट पॉइंट में आज निफ्टी गैप अप ओपन हुई. कहाँ पे हुई? R1 पे ओपन हुई. राइट, R1 पे इसने करीब एक सवा घंटा 1.5 घंटा लगाने के बाद इट वेंट अप विद मोमेंटम. राइट, ऊपर गई एंड देन कैन यू सी दिस कैंडल which showed that it cannot sustain that upward trend anymore. You can see this position is basically 9715. राइट, उसके बाद से निफ्टी में थोड़ी सी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आने लगी है. और अब जो इसमें गिरावट आ रही है उसको हम और अच्छे से क्लियरली समझ सकते हैं यहाँ से. अगर हम इसको लाइक अपने यूजुअल सेटअप पे जाके देखते हैं. MACD is about to cross, RSI is below 60 and the candles are piercing through this 10 moving average. Right, so अभी थोड़ा सा और देखते हैं, शायद हो सकता है थोड़ा सा बाउंस बैक आए और फिर उसके बाद निफ्टी मतलब अभी थोड़ा सा इसको कप शेप बनाना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा इसको और समय लगेगा अभी appropriately नीचे आने में until it is news driven. So, I was looking at it, that there are a lot of securities which are under ban. So I thought, let me just explore and explain it to you why the securities are under ban and in FNO and what can we do when they are in ban. So I am here on NSE website's screen, which talks about securities in ban and what's the reason. It says that the derivative contracts in the below mentioned securities have crossed 95% of the market-wide position limit and are currently in the ban period. It is therefore informed that all clients members shall trade in the derivative contracts of said security only to decrease their positions. So that means overbuying हो चुकी है इसमें. This stock is overbought. इसमें people have to reduce their exposure. They only when the entire exposure goes below, say about 80%, then only this will be, removed from the ban from trading, FNO segment trading. Okay, so I just want to see what are those stocks which are under ban. So I have downloaded that sheet and there are about 12 such stocks which are under ban, which I have taken from NSE website only. These are Allahabad Bank, Bank India, BEML, HDIL, IB Real Estate, IFCI, Infibeam, JP Associates, KSCL, Orient Bank, RCOM, and Walk Pharma. Right? These are the 12 securities which are under ban. So it simply indicates that in these 12 securities there was excessive, positions created in future and option segment. Okay, so I was just reading this Economics Time article, which is a little old, September 27, 2016, which is about last year's article. Around that time also करीब 11 सिक्योरिटीज जो थी वो बैन में थी. तो द आर्टिकल हेडलाइन सेज दैट राइज इन FNO बैन हिंट्स एट मार्केट ओवरहीटिंग. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरबॉट है मार्केट, बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरबॉट है. जब ओवरबॉट मार्केट है तो थोड़ा बहुत करेक्शन तो बनता है ना. नॉट दैट आई एम साउंडिंग बेयरिश और आई बिलीव इन दैट, I also believe in the fact that market will go up. uh, uh, the way it is going up will continue moving up, but in the shorter duration, like let's say, definitely a good correction is needed. So it says that the number of stock contracts in the equity derivative segments which cannot be traded further till some of the positions are liquidated in currently is currently the highest since 2007 and 8, the peak of the previous bull run. So jab last year before the fall came, exactly same number of securities were under ban, around 10, 11, 12 used to be usually banned because so many buyers were there. So analysts said this suggests that the market is overheated even as the volatility index hovers above its low. Then it says that there are about until 11 securities are under ban. A stock goes under ban in FNO when combined open interest in the derivative contracts crosses 95% of the market-wise position limit. The normal trading in the stock is resumed only after aggregate open interest crosses exchanges come down to 80% of the market-wide position limit, right? So normally, 3 to 4 stocks should be under ban, but you know what the current scenario is, इसमें करीब 10, 11, 12 stocks are usually under ban. So when such a situation exists, it simply means there should be, I'm not saying that we are heading towards correction, but it could be expected. Like few of the things that really bothers me, that one is that CDSL IPO was oversubscribed 169 times, 170 times, right? That is one thing which is bothering me. The other thing is India Wix, which is all time low. The third thing that bothers me is, so many securities under ban. So, what I believe, the market slowly and gradually heading towards being overbought. Okay, so I don't want to say and sound that I'm bearish, or I am suspicious about something, but I feel that we need to be careful at the same time. Okay, we need to be careful at the same time. You never know what may trigger a fall. So when fall comes, it comes with a rapid speed. Okay, so now come back to the topic of securities under ban. जैसे अभी 2 days back we wanted to trade in DLF, but DLF was banned in futures and options. So what could we do in such a situation? You can always trade in cash. अगर आपको बाय करना है, आप हमेशा कैश में खरीद सकते हैं, और अगर आपको सेल करना हो, सेल हम फ्यूचर या ऑप्शन में पुट ले सकते हैं, सेल हम फ्यूचर में कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम उसकी पुट ले सकते हैं, बट वो दोनों बैंड में है. सेलिंग हम केवल in banned securities can be done only in the intraday, right? So that one has to be very, very careful about, extremely careful about, because you never know. If you're 100% sure about downward trend, then only you trade in intraday selling. ओके, सो वी फिगर्ड आउट कि क्यों बैन होते हैं स्टॉक्स. अगर बैन होते हैं तो उसका क्या रिपोर्केशन हो सकता है, क्या रिफ्लेक्शन हो सकता है मार्केट में, क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि ये आगे के लिए क्या सिनेरियो है. तीसरी बात, अगर कोई स्टॉक बैन पीरियड में है तो हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, हम उसको खरीद सकते हैं या बेच सकते हैं कि नहीं. खरीद तो डेफिनेटली सकते हैं कैश में, बट बेचने के लिए हमको इंट्राडे में करना पड़ेगा काम. ठीक है, हम उसका फ्यूचर नहीं ले सकते, हम उसका पुट नहीं ले सकते. Okay, so this is about banned securities and how do we trade in them. Fine. Now, some of the stocks which I have on my radar are, which are doing very, very well. Definitely is DLF, which you can see has given a good run up today. This is 1 minute graph. Let me take you to 15 minutes graph. And this is today's run up. It has opened up, gap up at 198 and abhi ye 202.45 pe khada hua hai. Right, I'm expecting a good run coming up over here, and of course, although aviation stocks are still doing well because crude is going down, but beyond that, I have JSW Energy on my radar. JSW Energy is on my radar. That's one stock, and the other stock that I have on my radar is ACC. I have ACC in my radar. These are the two stocks that I'm watching, and I'm waiting for clear indication. I may enter them and probably we'll have to see. So, guys, this is almost something that I wanted to share today, and I'm again saying and quoting that I'm starting my webinar on 28th of June, which is the coming Wednesday, next week's Wednesday. And as the commitment from my side, I will ensure that you have recovered your money which you have invested in your learning, and it's going to be lifelong skill that you'll acquire by learning, going through my program. And we'll do some live trading, we'll do some kind of mock trading, we'll do some kind of different trade setups. So we'll learn together. I'm waiting to see you there and hope you are enjoying the trades that I'm giving you. And अभी जो मैंने अभी recent trades जो आपको दे रखे हैं, जैसे कि Suntech Reality और I have given you SSWL, they are exactly where I have given them. They are not showing much of change, but I'm hoping that the change is soon there. And all cargo is थोड़ा सा अपवर्ड ट्रेंड में आया है, थोड़ा सा इसने एक मूवमेंट की शुरुआत की है. सो आई होप इट कंटिन्यूज एंड इट बेसिकली अभी तक कल परसों, आई थिंक परसों इसने 179 भी लगा दिया था. सो आई एम होपिंग कि इट विल बी फाइन, बिकॉज all the logistic stocks should do well, according to me. With the GST in place and everything, I hope the stock should do well. So you waited so long, just a little bit more waiting, and I'm sure you will be through. Okay, so good day, see you, and register yourself because there are limited seats. There are already many people registered yesterday and the day before. So I'm also waiting very eagerly to be with you all on Wednesday onwards. So guys, good day, enjoy your trading, and really, I want you people, more than trading, I want you to become, buy in cash, become an investor. and अगर आपके पास 20,000 रुपये हैं तो उसको 5 करके आप 4 स्टॉक्स में दीजिए. और जब आपको, the way I teach, it means a 10% movement in next 1 or 2 weeks, except few stocks which get stuck up like all cargo or something like that. In that we may need to wait, but mostly you must have seen the stocks give a good run up in the next couple of weeks or so. So उस तरह से जब भी हमको 10 to 15% प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा, we will exit until we see really good good run up coming in. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत पहले एक स्टॉक दिया था, कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक. आज कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक की हालत आप देखिए कहाँ पहुँचा हुआ है. मैंने जब दिया था ये 737 पे था, या 837 पे था, सॉरी 837 पे था, और आज ये कहाँ पे है, 997 पे है. एंड वो दिन भी मुझे याद है 14 मार्च का था, और 14 मार्च को मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था, और आज ये 997 पे है. अगर किसी ने फ्यूचर का लॉट लिया होता तो भी कितना ब्यूटीफुल रन अप एक्सपीरियंस किया होता. और इसी तरह का अभी मैं काफ़ी दिनों से काफ़ी अपने वेबिनार मेंबर्स से भी बात करने लग रही हूँ. आर कैप का, रिलायंस कैपिटल, दिस हैज शोन अ ब्यूटीफुल रन अप, राइट? So we'll identify such kind of stocks, we'll invest some money, we'll learn together, we'll grow together. So this is, and see, I was showing you yesterday Lupin. Did you see that? See, it has given a good breakout in the downward direction, right? मैंने आपको बोला था कि मुझे फर्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर लगता है इसका 1082. उसके बाद भी ये नीचे, अगर उसको क्रॉस करेगा तो और नीचे जाएगा. और मैंने जब इसकी कल ये पुट आइडेंटिफाई की थी 18 रुपये पे थी, और आज इसने हाइक इवन लगा दिया है. इसने आज का हाइक लगा दिया है 35 रुपीज़ का, 35.80 का हाइक लगा के आई है. सो if your identification is correct, your trade will be always profitable. It will never give you any kind of trouble. Okay, so see you at the webinar. All the best, guys. Work correctly and trade correctly. Look for the, you have to earn profit through this market by learning and doing your trades correctly. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.